besties. Today we are making a diaper cake, and as you know, we made it our way, but today we're gonna try something just a teeny different. This is my blanket. This was my blanket when I was a baby, and because we don't want to get the baby sick, because this is like something we eat on.
Because this blanket was hers.
When I
look at the condition, this could still be used.
I know.
All right, so we're going to try making diaper cake a different way today. So we're going to get the cake pans and we're going to try it that way. Can we see the goodies, the things that we have?
Yes. Okay. We have our diapers, obviously, and all these other things are optional. You don't have to use them. Shrink wrap. A ribbon. Sorry, lost my mind. Flowers. Some cutesy little bows. Tins. We have 8 tins here to use. Okay, so these are size 2 diapers, and I recommend you size up so that the parents can actually use the diapers. Start with our big baby tin.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop here for now. Layer the others just because we want to use all the diapers, and then we'll be back. All right, so because we're using shrink wrap to hold this thing together, we are not going to put a tissue roll in the middle. I am adding our little clips on here, and then I'm gonna be adding our little bows on here as well. So the little bows are so cute. They came on that. The original plan was to add the bows along the string right there, but then I didn't want to damage the bows and I didn't want to damage the diapers, so this was what we did instead. We were kind of spacing them out to see what they would look like. Really pretty. So then we have to now put them on the shrink wrap and then wrap it all together. In order for them to stay in the position that you want them on the shrink wrap, we have to put them face down. Alright, so we have it all together. I'm going to cut the excess plastic from the top portion. And then we're going to get our blow dryer. You want to have it on your highest heat setting. And then you're going to blow dry from the bottom up. And you're going to watch it come together beautifully.
How does it shrink by heat?
After about 45 minutes, we're all done, you guys. This is the finished product. I end up kind of shrinking some of the plastic towards the top portion. You could do like a ribbon if you'd like. And if you made it this far, remember to leave us a comment or subscribe to the channel.